Zero-based budgeting. In a world where financial stability and planning have become more crucial than ever, zero-based budgeting emerges as a dynamic and effective tool. While traditional budgeting methods often leave room for oversights and uncertainties, zero-based budgeting offers a strategic approach that can revolutionize the way you manage your finances. In this video, we will dive deep into the concept of zero-based budgeting, its benefits, and how you can implement it to take control of your financial journey. Understanding zero-based budgeting. Zero-based budgeting is not your typical budgeting technique. Unlike traditional budgeting, which involves adjusting previous budgets incrementally, zero-based budgeting starts from scratch each time a budget is prepared. This means that every dollar you earn is allocated to a specific purpose, leaving no room for unaccounted expenses. The core principle behind such a type of budgeting is to give every dollar a job, whether it's for necessities, savings, or leisure. Benefits of zero-based budgeting. 1. Enhanced financial awareness. It demands a thorough understanding of your income and expenses. This heightened awareness helps you identify unnecessary spending and allocate resources more intentionally. 2. Elimination of wasteful spending. By scrutinizing every expense, zero-based budgeting can help you identify and cut down on wasteful spending. This leads to better resource utilization and increased savings. 3. Strategic allocation. With a zero-based budget, you prioritize your financial goals. Whether it's paying off debts, saving for a dream vacation, or building an emergency fund, each goal gets a designated portion of your budget. 4. Flexibility. Zero-based budgeting isn't about restricting yourself but rather assigning value to your money. It allows you to adjust your spending based on changing circumstances while staying within your means. 5. Debt reduction. This budgeting method can accelerate your journey toward debt reduction. By channeling surplus funds directly into paying off debts, you can free yourself from financial burdens more swiftly. Implementing zero-based budgeting, step by step. First, calculate your income. Begin by calculating your total income for the budgeting period. This includes your salary, side gigs, investments, and any other sources of revenue. Second, list fixed expenses. Identify your fixed monthly expenses such as rent or mortgage, utilities, insurance premiums, and loan payments. Third, categorize variable expenses. Categorize your variable expenses like groceries, entertainment, dining out, and shopping. Be realistic about your spending habits and allocate funds accordingly. Fourth, allocate for savings and goals. Allocate a portion of your income towards savings, investments, and financial goals. This could include an emergency fund, retirement savings, or specific purchases. Fifth, create a balance. Ensure that your total expenses match your total income. If there's a surplus, allocate it to areas like debt repayment or extra savings. If there's a deficit, re-evaluate your variable expenses. Sixth, track progress. Regularly track your spending against your budget. This will help you identify any deviations and adjust your allocations accordingly. This is all about zero-based budgeting.